Hi dear all, I'm Yvon Donko, Senior Consultant at CM Asset Consulting. We are specialized in Microsoft technologies, Power Apps, Power BI, Power Automate, and so on. So in this video, I will show you how to retrieve, different Zoom events a contact has participated. Okay, so in previous video I showed you how to create a custom connector for Zoom, and also how to create a Zoom meeting directly from within Dynamics 365. I showed you how to retrieve using the custom connector registrants to the Zoom meeting and also participant to the Zoom meeting, and then I showed you how I've been able to retrieve those who are at the same time registrants and participants. So these are the two, and in this video I will show you how to get Zoom meetings a contact has participated to. Okay, so I have maybe this contact, this email contact. I have added a tab from here, and I should query the system to see different events. Okay, the contact has participated. Okay, so it is quite simple. Let me first show you how it works, and then I will explain you how the Power Automate flow has been done. So from here I can click here and select flow. Okay, contact expertise, Zoom event associated with the contact. So this is the correct flow. So when I run this flow, the system will go and retrieve all the Zoom event the contact has participated. In this case, it is only one event the contact has participated. Okay, so the flow is running, and I should have automated test Zoom meeting for this record. This is that record. So let us refresh. Wow, it works well. Okay, so it has retrieved the meeting, the Zoom meeting the contact has participated. Now let me show you how the flow has been done. It's quite simple. So the trigger is when a record is selected, default environment contacts, and this is I just list the Zoom meeting, the Zoom registrant and participants. So this entity, and I filter it because I want to retrieve meeting these records just related to the specific email from of the contact from which I'm running. That is why I use this whole data filter, and I just pass the output of the previous operation, and then I can select. This is the body of the previous operation. This is the key, email key. This is the value, reg or participant. This is the value, Zoom event key. This is the value. Now I can filter. Okay, this is the output of the previous operation. Okay, item email is equal to email address 1. Okay, so I need to retrieve all the items, okay, from here related to all the items from this entity related to the specific email. Okay, so item is the current item because this is an array. Okay, so item email is the current email of the item of a current email, and then is it equal to the email address 1. So now I can list my Zoom rows. Okay, I also use a OData filter, okay, to reduce the number of row listed. I pass it. Okay, I retrieve it because I don't want to store a same contact many times to avoid duplicate. So I can select. So this is the output, the body of the previous operation. So I pass the email. Okay, so this is the email coming from the trigger value. So rec of participant is register of participant, and I also retrieve the Zoom event. Okay, now I filter, okay, to avoid recording duplicate inside the loop, to make sure that I enter in the loop with just items, okay, that does not already exist. Because from here I have that if I run the flow a second time, I should not enter in the loop again if it is just to record the same thing. I need to avoid duplicates. So this is the body of the previous operation. And now select pass Zoom does not contain item. Okay, it should not contain item. So I make sure that I enter in my loop with items to insert. I can add a new row. Okay, I pass the Zoom event ID. Okay, this is item Zoom event. So this is how we reference a lookup, okay, in a flow. I already showed you how to do that, how to handle that in previous video, and I just, okay, register of participant, I pass this variable and I pass the GUID, which is the row ID of the record. So this is simply how the flow has been done. Thank you for watching, and see you next time for another video on Power Automate.